Looking for a simple, budget-friendly way to boost your overall health? Try beans. From supporting heart health and boosting immunity to aiding digestion and keeping your blood sugar stable, beans offer an incredible range of benefits. They're also super versatile, making them easy to include in any meal, whether you're looking for a quick snack or a hearty dinner. In today's video, we're revealing 8 most healthiest beans you must eat daily. Each one offers its unique benefits that can take your health to the next level. Let's dive in and see which beans deserve a spot in your diet. Starting our countdown at number 8 are soybeans. Soybean, also known as edamame when it's young and green, offers a whopping 16 grams of protein in just half a cup. Studies show that soybeans are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. Soybeans are also rich in essential fatty acids, which are crucial for your overall health. These good fats help your body absorb vitamins and keep your heart healthy. Moreover, they're a great source of choline, a nutrient that's vital for building cell membranes and supporting your brain and nervous system. A study in the journal Nutrients found that soy protein can help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. That's very beneficial for your heart health. To add soybeans to your diet, try snacking on steamed edamame pods with a sprinkle of sea salt. Or toss some cooked soybeans into your favorite stir-fry for an extra protein boost. Additionally, if you're over 65, it becomes harder to maintain muscle mass. That's where the protein power of soybeans comes in. Their high protein content can help you keep those muscles strong. So next time you're planning a meal, think about swapping your usual protein source for some versatile soybeans. Next up at number 7 are kidney beans. The kidney bean is a true guardian of gut health. These red kidney-shaped beans are packed with fiber, acting like a natural probiotic for your digestive system. Just half a cup of cooked kidney beans gives you about 8 grams of fiber. But what does all this fiber do for you? Well, it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. These helpful microbes keep your digestive system running smoothly and even support your immune system. Kidney beans aren't just about fiber, though. They're also rich in protein, iron, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for your overall health. Iron helps carry oxygen around your body, while potassium is crucial for heart health and muscle function. To include soybeans in your daily routine, try adding them to your favorite chili recipe for extra texture and nutrition, or toss them into a salad for a protein boost. You can even mash them up to make a tasty, healthy dip. Here's something that might surprise you. Eating kidney beans regularly could help lower your risk of colon-related health issues. The fiber in these beans helps keep things moving through your digestive system, reducing the time harmful substances spend in contact with your colon. If you're watching your blood sugar, kidney beans could be your new best friend. They contain complex carbohydrates that your body digests slowly. This means they help keep your blood sugar levels stable, which is great news if you're managing diabetes or trying to prevent it. Coming in at number 6 are pinto beans. These beans are packed with protein and fiber, making them a powerhouse for weight management. In just half a cup of cooked pinto beans, you'll find about 8 grams of protein and 7.5 grams of fiber. That's a lot of nutrition in a small package. But what makes these nutrients so special for weight control? The high fiber content in pinto beans is like nature's appetite suppressant. It helps you feel full and satisfied after eating, which means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. And here's the best part. This feeling of fullness lasts for hours, helping you naturally eat less throughout the day. Pinto beans can be especially helpful for older adults worried about age-related weight gain. As we get older, our metabolism tends to slow down, making it easier to put on extra pounds. But the nutrient-dense, low-fat nature of pinto beans makes them a perfect food for keeping weight in check, no matter your age. Moreover, pinto beans have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause a sudden spike in your blood sugar. This steady release of energy helps keep your cravings in check and your energy levels stable. These beans are super versatile. You can mash them for a healthy dip or use them as a base for veggie burgers. For a quick and easy meal, try making a pinto bean burrito bowl with brown rice, fresh veggies, and a sprinkle of cheese. Additionally, pinto beans aren't just good for your waistline, they're also packed with other important nutrients like iron, potassium, and folate. So by eating pinto beans, you're not just managing your weight, you're giving your entire body a boost of nutrition. At number 5, we have navy beans. Navy beans might be small, but they pack a mighty punch when it comes to fiber. Just 1 cup of cooked navy beans contains a whopping 19 grams of fiber. That's more than half of what most adults need in a day. Think of fiber as a natural scrub brush for your insides. It helps clean out your digestive system, keeping everything moving along smoothly. This can lead to better regularity and a healthier gut. Additionally, the high fiber content in navy beans can also help you feel full for longer, which is great if you're trying to manage your weight. Navy beans also have a low glycemic index just like pinto beans. Instead, they release energy slowly, helping you feel energized for longer periods. This is especially helpful for people managing diabetes or trying to keep their blood sugar in check. Moreover, navy beans are rich in manganese, a mineral that plays a key role in your body's metabolism. Manganese helps your body turn the food you eat into energy. A study in the journal Frontiers in Nutrition found that people who ate cooked navy beans had lower cholesterol levels compared to those who didn't. Consider including navy beans in your meals by adding them to soups and stews, adding a creamy texture and nutty flavor. You can also mash them up to make a healthy dip or spread. For a quick and easy meal, try tossing cooked navy beans with some olive oil, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs. Next up at number 4 are fava beans. Fava beans, also known as broad beans, are nutritional powerhouses packed with protein and fiber. In just half a cup of cooked fava beans, you'll find about 7 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber. But what makes fava beans so special for your heart? It's all about a compound called folate. Fava beans are rich in this B vitamin, which plays a crucial role in heart health. Folate helps lower levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that can damage your blood vessels when it's too high. By keeping homocysteine in check, fava beans help protect your heart. A study in the journal JAMA Internal Medicine found that eating legumes like fava beans 4 times a week or more was linked to a 22% lower risk of heart disease compared to eating them less than once a week. That's a big benefit from such a small bean. These little beans are also loaded with magnesium, a mineral that's essential for a healthy heart rhythm. Magnesium helps your heart muscles relax between beats, which is just as important as the contractions. Moreover, fava beans could help you manage your blood pressure too. They're rich in potassium, a mineral that helps balance out the effects of sodium in your body. Additionally, fava beans are packed with antioxidants. These helpful compounds fight off harmful free radicals in your body, which can damage your cells and lead to heart disease. Enjoy a diet with fava beans by making a quick and tasty snack. Try roasting them with a bit of olive oil and your favorite spices. They make a crunchy, heart-healthy alternative to chips. At number 3, we have black beans. These little powerhouses can help you feel your best, no matter what your age is. In just half a cup of cooked black beans, you'll find 8 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. But what makes black beans so special? It's all about their antioxidants. These beans are rich in compounds that protect your cells from damage. Think of antioxidants as your body's bodyguards, fighting off harmful molecules that can lead to aging and disease. Black beans keep your blood sugar levels steady, which is important for heart health. Plus, they're packed with nutrients like iron, calcium, and folate. These nutrients work together to keep your body strong and healthy. Dr. Joan Sabate, a nutrition researcher, says black beans are one of the healthiest foods you can eat. He found that people who eat beans regularly have a lower risk of heart disease. So by adding black beans to your meals, you're not just enjoying a tasty food, you're taking a simple step towards better health. Now, you might be wondering how to add more black beans to your meals. You make a tasty black bean dip, or for a quick and healthy meal, try a black bean burrito with lots of veggies. Moreover, black beans are also great for your brain. They contain compounds that may help protect your brain cells as you age. This could mean better memory and thinking skills as you get older. Coming in at number 2 are lupin beans. Lupin beans are nutrition superstars. They pack a powerful protein punch with about 26 grams of protein per cup. These little wonders are low in fat and rich in calcium, vitamin E, and B vitamins. What makes lupin beans special is their ability to fight diseases. They're full of good fats called omega-3 and omega-6. These fats work together to keep your heart healthy by lowering bad cholesterol. Adding lupin beans to your daily meals can be a game changer for your health. They provide so many nutrients that you might not need as many vitamin pills. But hold on, There's something important you need to know about lupine beans. They contain high levels of substances called alkaloids. These can be harmful if you eat too many raw or undercooked lupin beans. It's crucial to prepare them the right way. To make lupin beans safe to eat, you need to soak them in water for at least 24 hours. Change the water several times during this process. Then boil the beans for at least an hour before eating. This might seem like a lot of work, but it's worth it for all the health benefits. Studies found that lupine beans can help control blood sugar levels. This is great news for people with diabetes or those trying to avoid it. So, how can you add lupin beans to your meals? Once they're properly prepared, try adding them to soups or stews for extra protein. You can also mash them to make a healthy dip or spread. Some people even grind lupine beans into flour to make protein-packed baked goods. Finally, at number 1, we have adzuki beans, a super bean that could do even more for your body. It is a small red powerhouse that's about to change how you think about healthy eating. These little beans are packed with so many benefits. They might just be the key to unlocking better health in ways you never expected. What makes adzuki beans so special? Well, unlike some healthy foods that are hard to enjoy, adzuki beans have a slightly sweet flavor. This means you can use them in both savory dishes and desserts. A study in 2022 found that adzuki beans can help fight obesity and keep your brain sharp, especially if you eat a lot of fatty foods. That's good news for anyone worried about their weight or memory as they get older. Adzuki beans are packed with protein, fiber, and other important nutrients your body needs. This means they're not just fighting off health problems. They're also giving your body the fuel it needs to stay strong and healthy. So how can you add adzuki beans to your meals? Try making adzuki bean burgers. They're tasty, filling, and packed with all those good-for-you nutrients. Moreover, adzuki beans could be especially helpful if you have diabetes or are worried about getting it. These beans can help keep your blood sugar steady, which is really important for managing diabetes. And there you have it, 8 most healthiest beans you must eat daily. From protein-packed soybeans to heart-friendly beans, each bean has something special to offer. Here's a simple tip. Try to eat a different bean each day of the week. You could have lentil soup on Monday, a black bean burrito on Tuesday, and so on. This way, you'll get all the great benefits these beans offer. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these beans are you planning to add any to your meals? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Also, please check out our merchandise for some great finds. And if you found value in this video, please consider sending us a super thanks. Your support helps us create more informative content for you. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take care.